Now that you have the Jumbo library downloaded, you can expand the zip file. On macOS, this is done by double-clicking on the folder. Expand the Jumbo folder. Inside of the source code folder, click on CRA starter template.zip. We're going to copy this folder into a new project directory. I can now paste the template into my new empty project folder. Once I've pasted the project, I can double-click to expand it. Inside of our CRA starter template, I should see a few files and our top-level directories. Next, open up your IDE or text editor inside of the CRA starter template folder. I'll be using Visual Studio Code for the rest of this video. In Visual Studio Code, I can open up a terminal. This automatically opens the terminal to the directory of my project. If you're using a terminal or command prompt outside of Visual Studio Code, you'll need to navigate down into the root project directory. This folder is CRA starter template. Now that I'm in the CRA starter template, I'll need to download the NPM libraries using yarn. We can do this by executing the command yarn. This will install all of the libraries necessary for our project. After the installation is complete, I should have a Node Modules folder that has been added to my project. Inside will be all of the libraries that have been downloaded. To start the project, I can run yarn start. This will start a local development server. The program should automatically open up a new browser and take you to localhost port 3000. You should see the sample page. You have now successfully set up the project. To build the project, head back into the terminal and end the local development server. In the terminal, run yarn build. This will create an optimized production build of our project. The build can be viewed in the newly created build folder.